Student goes to his first tutorial at Oxford University, sits down, economics tutor tells him, did you do the reading that I required of you last week? Student says, yeah, I did, but I've got a question. It's about the efficient market hypothesis. It tells me that stock prices are always efficient, they're always perfect, and you can never outperform the market, so you shouldn't bother trying. The economics professor just looks over his head and says, you know, last week I went out for a stroll in Oxford High Street with the head of the economics department. And the tutee, the student is thinking, what the hell's this got to do with my question? Can you not hear what I just asked? And the Oxford professor says, we were walking along the high street and we crossed Queen's College, we were walking towards University College, and on the ground I saw a £20 note. And I turned to the head of the economics department and I said, there's a £20 note there, I'm just going to go pick it up. The head of the department turned to the professor and said, don't bother, it's not there. If it was actually there, somebody would have picked it up.